this module, we are going to focus our attention in the creation process of the more detailed materials. So let's take a look at that. These are the materials that we are going to build in the following order. We are going to start with the frames, then move on to some basic fabric, then the curtain, rope, the floor, the fireplace, and some wood. Okay, so we're going to do that, and those materials, pretty much all of them, will have some textures applied to it. So this is a perfect moment for us to talk about the importance of royalty-free images. It's very important that you use images where you're allowed to apply on your personal or commercial projects. That reason being, first, about ethics, because you don't want people using your renders without your permission, and second, so you won't have any legal problems. So here are a few websites that I recommend for you to find those royalty-free images, but you can also Google it and you find a lot of websites. So for images like frames, I recommend pixels.com, Gratisgeography, StockSnap, and for textures, there's textures.com, freestocktextures.com, and wildtextures.com. Like I said, there are a lot more than these online, so you can Google it and see where you can find the images you need, but please try to use only royalty-free images, okay? So once that's done, let's go ahead and start building our materials in the next lesson.